thinking about what to make next, I wanted to make something that would reach out to the people. One way to reach out to the people is by speaking about what happened to us as a country, and so it was a part in time of our freedom struggle where we were trying to wake up to being a nation. So that's why it's called The Waking of a Nation. It's about what the British Raj did to us. It's about racism. It's about the color of your skin. कि उन लोग ने हमें काटा छुरी से भी सिखाया खाने का, कि बोला कि भाई हाथ से नहीं खा सकते. तो ये भी हमने ये सब जो एक हमारे कल्चरल एक ब्रेन वॉशिंग जो हुआ था, सो इट्स रियली अबाउट दैट.
Where he soon understands what the nation is going through. He starts off as naive, unaware, because he's gone to England to pursue law, and once he comes back to his home, he starts realizing that things are not as they painted for him. As you see with an English flag tied on my eyes, that is exactly where he comes from. And as the show progresses, you see his eyes opening, and that's when he gets the motivation to fight against.
And that's when he wakes up.
That's when he wakes up.
Rightly put it, there was actually a lot going around, and she's one such person, and it just gets added on when she happens to, be one of the sufferers of the massacre, if I have to put it rightly. Talking about me getting into the character, I feel when you're getting into this process, and when you start slowly getting into the skin of the character, when you're doing your workshops, when you're reading about it, when you're doing your scenes, there's a lot that naturally comes to you. Of course, there's a lot of help that's given to you with how that period was, how women back in the day were, how they dressed, how they spoke, and of course when you read the graveness of this entire incident, when you come to know about it, the emotion will not change. It's going to be the same that it was back in the day and what it is today. वक्त अलग है, लेकिन आपकी फीलिंग तो सेम ही होगी. दुख होता है, प्यार होता है, चाहे समय बदलता जाए. So I think it's one of those things. So for Poonam, yes, she was a woman back in the day when we had all of this happening, but what makes Poonam so beautiful, bold, fierce at the same time is that she dealt with all of that and still stood her ground.
I think it was a delight, as I was already mentioning, that for an actor to be involved in this 360 system of Ram sir is a complete pleasure, because back in my theatre days, only then we used to get those chances of being alive during the whole act, right? But abhi traditional methods of shooting allows you to just action हुआ, फिर आप perform करते हो और cut हुआ, उसके बाद खत्म. But यहाँ पर वैसा नहीं होता है. But of course, we had several workshops. Our workshop directors, Pooja and Sheena, and Mr. Ganesh, उन्होंने बहुत काम किया हम पर. हम 4 दोस्त दिखाए हैं शो में. तो वो जो कहानी 4 दोस्तों की है, तो वो जो बॉन्ड था वो असल में दिखना चाहिए था. तो it helped a lot. हमने जो exercises करी, I remember, I'm not sure if I can say this or not, but the bond that we share in the show. तो हमने एक एक्सरसाइज भी किया था. आई गॉट दिस आइडिया कि ये मुझे राखी बांध देती है. सो प्रोडक्शन टीम गॉट राखी एंड शी टाइड अ राखी ऑन माई हैंड, एंड दैट वाज अ स्वीट मोमेंट. तो जब हम सीन्स करते थे तो इट एडेड टू माई इमोशनल मेमोरी कि नहीं यार, मेरा कुछ तो कनेक्शन है इसके साथ. बट हालांकि हम जानते नहीं थे इस शो से पहले. सो ऑल दैट हेल्प्ड अ लॉट. बट ऑफ कोर्स इन द एंड ही वाज द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप, एंड उन्होंने बस संभाल लिया.
कभी कभी हम जो थोड़ा पब्लिक के लिए टेक्निकल बात होती है कि ये सिस्टम 360 क्या होता है, तो एक्चुअली वो हम वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो तो जैसे फिल्म बनाते, इट डजंट मैटर कि आप ऐसे बनाते वैसे बनाते, इट डजंट मैटर. व्हाट मैटर्स इज़ कि जब आप देखोगे कि आपको दिल को टच लगा, आपको ये फीलिंग आया कि ये जो लोग जो यहाँ पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं वो रियल लग रहे हैं, और इज़ इट फीलिंग फिल्मी, और इज़ इट फीलिंग मेलोड्रामेटिक, और मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि जो 1919 में ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि हमने एक ऐसा फॉर्मेलिटी से बनाया. It should be that you are inside 1919. It should not feel कि we are observing 1919. तो ये जो पूरा जो हमने वर्कशॉप सिस्टम जो किया था, just to get to some reality, to try and make the audience feel like as if this is actually happening.
बहुत प्यारी चीज़ हुई थी with the kind of platform that they provided us with all the tools.
This
that
the platform
they
is Sony Live.
No, I'm talking about the workshop.
अच्छा.
So all the tools that we had from like the information to whatever workshop planning, everything, we managed to create a very good natural organic bond amongst us, all four of us, and I feel that has really helped us portray our characters better. Because I feel also हम जब actors कैमरे के सामने होते हैं ना, हम हमेशा अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचते हैं, एक्टर्स बहुत सेल्फिश होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर we were very much in sync with what the other
ते एक दूसरे से बात भी नहीं करते. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये सब झूठ है, ये निकिता जो बोल रही है, नहीं, not at all. They actually last night we were all having dinner. It was so sweet just to see. They felt like they were really four friends together. And वो जो एक it's really a story about the youth, just like the youth is today. And it's a story about it's not really about the massacre. It's about एक thriller है, एक courtroom drama है, एक इसमें हमने जो हत्याकांड के पहले जो हुआ, उसके बाद जो हुआ, वो हम दिखा रहे हैं, जो लोगों को पता नहीं था कि एक एक्चुअली साजिश है. And what they have done is that they are in the midst of four friends caught in the midst of a situation and an event in India that changed India.
Acting is all about reacting. That is so true. I believe in that. मुझे जब सार्थक का कॉल आया था, सार्थक, people who don't know, is the associate of Abhimanyu Ray sir.
He's our casting director, Abhimanyu Ray is our casting, and hats off to him. He has made these people, and he's worked so hard along with Sony Live, who's actually helped us to make sure that we are authentic and honest to the age and the casting that we wanted, and to their support, to Shaugato, to Gaurav, to Danish, to allow us to make a show with this kind of realism and authenticity. So Abhimanyu Ray was our casting director.
Yeah. So basically, before the audition, like they shared the audition script also with me, but they shared a couple of pointers. सबसे ऊपर pointer ये था कि Hari is the glue between Allah Baksh and Kanti. I stuck to that while I was performing my audition. Then when I read the script, I was like, oh, Allah Baksh तो बड़ा rebellious है, Kanti कुछ अलग ही सीख के आया लंदन से. But as the story progresses, how Hari has a different backstory, and also there's some tragic things happen in the show. But I think that was the most beautiful part, because it made it easy for me to portray the character. Because if I understand Hari Singh औलख की क्या औकात है 1919 अमृतसर में, बख्शील के लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगा perform करना. And that's why if people really connect with the performance, if people really associate with what the show is actually trying to tell us, if we go a little deeper, then I think friendship between the three of us and Poonam is the heart and soul of the show. So also like मतलब again राम सर बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, but again it like hats off.
बोल सकते हो, ठीक है, अच्छी बात बोल दिया, मैंने पैसे भेजे.
So राम सर के साथ जब first meeting थी, when sir called me to his office, he told me he's the bridge between Allah Baksh and Kanti. तो that मुझे पता लग गया था कि हरी का क्या वो है. हरी कोई भी सीन, बख्शील अगर कोई भी सीन परफॉर्म करेगा तो उसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या होना चाहिए. बाकी the 360-degree system for me, it opened up a lot of things. Yeah.
But as a character and from the show's point of view, ये एक character जो है जो the Great War से वहाँ, तभी तो you don't call it World War I, लेकिन काफ़ी सारे नौजवान और काफ़ी सारे पंजाबी और काफ़ी सारे सरदार सिख यहाँ वर्ल्ड वॉर में गए थे. And he is portraying a character who goes to the war, who sees violence, and it was quite amazing कि हम ब्रिटिश राज के उनके साथ हम actually we are fighting their war, for them as Indians. And it was a tragedy actually, because when he comes back as a character, he's also lost his arm. And a lot of people went through the Great War on behalf of Britain, because we had wanted, हमको लगा कि हमको कुछ इसमें से कुछ डोमिनियन स्टेटस मिलेगा, हमें कुछ सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट मिलेगा, कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं. And so the show really is a tragic story about what happens to Hari as one of the characters who goes to fight for Britain and comes back having seen violent and becomes non-violent. वो खुद सत्याग्रही बनता है.